The RAMHORN 9005 H11 Combo Bulbs provide an impressive 300% brightness increase over standard bulbs, significantly enhancing nighttime driving visibility. Installation is a breeze with these bulbs as they require no additional wiring harness, allowing you to replace them in under 10 minutes without any hassle. The fanless design ensures a silent operation, while the advanced aluminum construction efficiently manages heat, prolonging the bulb's lifespan. Thanks to the adjustable beam design, you can easily achieve the perfect lighting angle, eliminating any dark spots or blind corners on the road. These bulbs come equipped with an intelligent decoding driver, making them compatible with the vast majority of vehicle systems, minimizing any installation issues. The RAMHORN 9005 H11 bulbs deliver a crisp 6,500 Kelvin white light, offering a comfortable and clear view while driving through foggy conditions.